Hey everyone, Jim Reiser, swimlessonsuniversity.com. This is our swim class series, and this is a swim 102 class. And I'm here with Kay and Addie, and this is the second thing we're working on today. We're working on our breath control, and we're working on breath holding. We're going to start with breath holding with a little activity we call an underwater applause. So we're going to go underwater and clap our hands, and let's see how many claps you can do while you're holding your breath. All right, ready, and underwater applause. 1, 2, 3. Good. How many claps did you do? 13. How many did you do? 14? I think we did like 5 and 6 maybe. This time I'm gonna clap. I'm gonna count. All right, I'm gonna count. Ready? Let's have you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. She did 14 that time. That was fantastic. And now let's see Addie, how many you do this time? Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Wow, that was like 18. Both of you did so much better. Now, the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna work on breath control. So on the breath control exercise, we call this hopping frog bobs. And on the hopping frog bobs, we're gonna get our air when we come out. And then when we go under, we're gonna blow out our mouth. We're gonna blow out our mouth and our nose. Very good. All right, so I'm gonna start with Kay, and then I'm gonna come back and get Addie. All right. In fact, how about, rather than having Addie stay here, Addie, you get on my back and do a piggyback ride, and that way I'm using proximity for safety, okay? All right, ready? Let's go. Blow it out. 1, blow it out. What we did, so we did 1. So if we want to have good breath control, we got to be able to get our air when we come up and go right back down. Let's see if we can get our air and go right back down. Let's see if we get 2 in a row. Ready, go. 1, good, 2, and 3, blow it out. Good, she did 3 in a row that time. That was fantastic. How about, you think we could get 4?
I'll do 10.
All right, let's see. Ready, go. 1, blow it out. 2, blow it out. That was 2 in a row. Let's see if we can get 3 or 4 in a row. Last one. Ready, and go. 1, blow it out. 2, blow it out. 3, blow it out. 4, blow it out. 5, blow it out. Awesome. All right, now you hop on my back. Now it's Addie's turn. All right, we're gonna do the same thing with Addie. Ready? And 1, blow it out. 2, blow it out. 3, blow it out. 4, blow it out. 5, blow it out. 6, blow it out. 7, blow it out. 8, blow it out. 9, blow it out. 10, blow it out. Underwater, 11, blow it out. Under 12, blow it out. 13, blow it out. 14, blow it out. 15, blow it out. Wow, you did. If you found this video helpful, leave your thumbs up and comments below. If you're looking for a step-by-step, complete training and certification program, head over to swimlessonsuniversity.com, where we put the science back into teaching children to swim. In the meantime, if you haven't already done so, click subscribe and turn your notifications button on so you never miss a video when we put one out. And remember, no other sports skill can save a child's life. Give a child a lifetime gift. Teach him or her to swim.